So the iPhone is going to allow you to record your voice. Maybe you need it for video editing, post-production, or maybe you just need to record something on your phone. I got to tell you, very, very simple to do. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. And make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Okay, so all you're going to do is that you're going to tell Siri to open the voice recorder. And this app is already in the utilities here on the phone, and it's going to open. As you can see, you have this red button right here that once I press, as I press right now, it's going to show you that it's recording. As I'm speaking right now, you got 5 second, 6 second. You can kind of see the wave. So again, it allows you to have that recording conversation. And I tell you, the quality is pretty awesome. Obviously, you could use a microphone. You could use all the things to enhance the quality. But in my opinion, it's very, very good. And once you put it into a program like Final Cut Pro, some kind of editing program, it's really easy to enhance that by removing the background and doing a couple other things. So again, very simple. Open that voice recorder, press that button. Now you're recording. Once you're done, you press again and it's going to stop the recording. Right now, you see that recording right there. In fact, let me do another one just to show you. You can have multiple different recordings, obviously, and you can have all those files right there, right? So you have a new recording, 38 seconds. You got another recording in there, new recording number 2. But the thing about it is that once you're pressing here, like I'm doing right now you could do multiple different things, right? If I press right here to the left, you can play it back. You can enhance the recording as well. If you press right here in these 3 dots, obviously it's going to give you a couple different choices. You could copy, you could share. So quickly, I could come right here and then I could share this via text, right? I could just click on the text and share that as you see right there. If I want to airdrop it like I typically do, I just click here. My computer is going to show, and now I can share that into my computer. Very, very simple. I could click right here and it's coming into my computer. You see right there, it says send. Now I have the file. So again, if I'm doing any video editing or anything like that, it's very simple for me to do that. In fact, you see one of my son's phone in there showing up as well. I could share that with my son. A couple other things that I could do. I'm going to press there again. You could edit the recording. And again, you could do some stuff right here. Again, you could edit all this and you could see me there. You could kind of mess with that and kind of come out with a better result, right? You could also duplicate that as well. You can move it to a folder. So you can make different folders. For example, maybe this is a folder for YouTube recording. Now you just move that to that folder. You can save to files. You can put in a quick note, and you can also go ahead and rename that, right? So all you have to do is click there, and maybe, it's a video, YouTube video, or something like that, right? So again, depends what you're doing. It depends what you want to do right there, right? So again, you could be a little bit organized by organizing the names and things like that, right? Or video 1, the other one is video 2, something like that. Obviously, you could play it back. If you go back in the folder, you're going to have this right here. So essentially, you have your voice memo right there. Again, all recordings. I got 2 recordings you have recently deleted as well. You got a couple folders. I just created that YouTube folder in there as well. You could create more folders, of course. And again, that's just an easy way for you to do some recording, right? You don't need anything fancy. If you ever need to record your voice, or maybe record an interview, or maybe record somebody else, or whatever you got to do, easily open that voice, record it. It's going to stay in the phone, and then easily you could share with others. Let me know what you think. We'll see you in the next one.